Welcome to 112 Lindsay in Carrboro.
This stunning modern home features a chef's kitchen with bespoke cabinetry, Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, an ice maker, and a dedicated pantry. Step out onto your private courtyard and lounge area with a sparkling pool, infinity spa, water feature wall, and outdoor shower area. 2 sets of accordion doors connect the main living area and owner's suite to this outdoor paradise. The living room features a gas fireplace and sliding door that opens to a peaceful portico and fenced-in verdant yard. Up the custom-built floating steel staircase, you'll find 2 ample bedrooms with full bathrooms, high ceilings, and lots of light. A separate residential suite with a full kitchen exists over the garage. It's hard to tell what unique feature to love the most between the hydronic radiant concrete flooring, skylights, solar power, or the magnificent custom steelwork featured throughout the home. Designed by award-winning architect Sophie Piesse and contractor BuildSense, 112 Lindsay is the ultimate marriage of high design innovation with low maintenance green energy. 112 Lindsay. This is California modern luxury at a North Carolina price.